China has witnessed the import of more Afghan pine nuts since November when the war-torn country resumed export of the nut to its neighbor. On Monday, about 45 tons of pine nuts were transported by a cargo flight to Shanghai, marking the first flight carrying a shipment of pine nuts to China in 2022. Afghan private airline Kam Air has run more than 30 cargo flights taking pine nuts to China since November.
انشالله پروازهای ما نظر به بازار است. اگر امکاناتش باشه ما مشکل نداریم، در رابطه با پروازهای ما مشکل نیست. ما پروازهای خود نرمال میتونیم که از کابل به مقصد چین مشکل نداریم. ما مقصد چین پروازهای ما نرمال است اگر کارگو باشه.
Afghanistan historically exported 10,000 tons of pine nuts to China each year, creating jobs for thousands of people in the country. The air corridor between Afghanistan and China was launched in November 2018. Exports had been disrupted last year after the collapse of the US-backed Afghan administration to the Taliban, but to China at least, trade more or less resumed at the end of October with the first air shipment of 45 tons of pine nuts.